Get started here. We're trying to fix a years-old Hotsy, and this is Royce, the Hotsy technician du jour. Yeah. Okay, this thing swings up. And somehow it's fastened. There it is, right there, I think. But anyway, this thing swings up, and we could take these two screws loose, and then it'll come out completely. We'll probably have to pull. I think this is just a transformer, high voltage transformer. But then there's some adjustment you have to make with the. There's a couple of ceramic things, a couple of ceramic pointers that have to come together, and they've got to be adjusted just so. And then what happens is this puts a spark right in the area. This pump, the blower is blowing air through, and the pump takes the fuel and it atomizes it, and it comes out in a stream. And right on the side of that stream is this electric arc that keeps the flame going. And that's what's happening, is my arc isn't arcing. So we got to figure out whether the transformers may be gone bad. I think probably the easiest way to check that would be to take it out and plug it in and let you put your lips on it, and then you could tell us whether it was.
Wait, where's Keith?
You're not going to go with that one.
Call Keith for that one. We'll let him mess with the high voltage.
Well, anyway, that's where the problem is. Can you see something there to take off? Right about here.
There's some kind of clip there, but there's no bolt. There's no. If there is bolts, yeah, I think there's a nut or something there, or a head, or a bolt on the bottom.
Well, from the looks of it, you're going to need a 1/2-inch wrench, and I don't know what this is. This over here looks like a 9/16. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, there's a bolt on the bottom. Right. It feels like it's one of these.
Yeah.
So that
except for it
like,
doesn't have a screwdriver head.
Yeah, whether it does or not is
Yeah, it's just a.
So you're going to need a 1/2-inch wrench, and you're going to need a 9/16. Let me see if I can get up and try that. Oh boy, up. I think we got everything we need now. Oh boy. Shoes are starting to come apart. No. Oh, you went all the way into the big house. Go ahead.
It's too big. That's 1/2 inch. It's too big.
Oh, we get you a container. I always like to have a container to put all this stuff in. Sometimes 2 or 3 to keep stuff separate. Okay, so that. Yeah. Well, that's going to make it easier anyway. We're going to have to take it out. You can see the bolts. There's one there and on the bottom. And that's going to need a 7/16 to take those out.
No, those are 1/2 inch.
Okay, go ahead. I thought they were, but then you said they didn't fit.
They didn't fit the top ones.
Okay, so the question is, see, this is the part right here where it puts out the high voltage. And I figure what we'll do is we'll plug it in here, and then you just put your lips on there, and you can tell us if you feel anything.
I told you that's what he's for.
Okay? How's that sound?
For that one.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the camera and get it down and take a look at that, the way that's wired. We've got okay, we got the motor back in here that's connected, and then we've got across here, this is the motor right here, and this is the arc. This is the other half of the motor with the arc. So when you get that straightened out, let's see, I can take this off of here. Up. There we go. Perfect. I'll disconnect. Now we got a white and a black together there. And we got a white and a white here. There we go. And there. Now, it's supposed to put out 10,000 volts. I would think you would feel that. I would think you'd feel that. You'd say, my, is that ever tasty? And it puts out, let's see what it puts out. Oh shit. Put out 23 milliamps.
Yeah, definitely.
If that was applied properly, that'd make you sing some songs you probably wouldn't have sung otherwise. You got the bottom one out?
Uh-huh.
I found that you always want to take out the bottom one and all the ones that are hard to get at first. Looks like you got it pretty well under control here. You note the flange on that thing, you can bolt that up to just about anything. You're not swearing anywhere near as much as the other guy did. It won't turn by itself, huh? And there's no room in there for a ratchet wrench.
Not really. I'd be pushing it.
I love it when they do that to you.
So I've got a couple more turns.
Oh, we've got to, that's right, we got to do this. I screwed up. Okay, that's the power. That's the power. That's the hot. Oh. Okay, this wire we don't need. This wire we don't need. Okay, good. This goes up. This wire goes up to the temperature controller. Can you see this right here? Where'd that screwdriver? Can you take the screwdriver and put it in there like that and knock that nut loose? That's good enough. As long as it's loose, that's good enough. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to oh, there's a ground there. Here, I'll get it. got her, fella. Boy, is that ever bad wire. Wow. It's a good thing it's only on the ground. What do we got here? Ah, shit. Well, that's the one that goes up to the top. Well, we're really going to have to. You want to go in and grab a pair of dikes? It'll be in one of those tools. One of those. There's two toolboxes next to the left of the lathe in there. Over here.
Tool again?
Those two toolboxes. I need a pair of dikes.
Okay.
If all you can find is an electrician's pliers, that's fine too.
Sax cutters on it.
Yeah. This top of the line Chinese brand.
All right.
And as suspected, it ain't worth a shit. Oh well. It did the job, and that's really all we can ask. Okay. So now this. Don't have to worry about now. I'm just going to short across that. What this does is there's a temperature sensor up there, and when the temperature you adjust the temperature for whatever kind of heat you want out of it, and then it opens and closes the fuel
Right.
accordingly. And the unfortunate thing is it's pretty well beat up, and it doesn't work anyway. And
It's 5 minutes still.
there we go.
It's 4:15 right now.
What's that?
It's 4:15 right now.
Okay.
5 minutes away.
You talking to me? You talking to me?
4:20.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got confused there for a second. Yeah. I know what you mean.
Didn't think.
Okay, you've got all the nuts off, right?
Yep.
And I've got everything off here. You want to carefully lift that out of there and set it down, and then we'll have a safety meeting. Look at that. God, are we good. Except your droodle's all over the place. Okay, so now what we got to figure out. Oops, don't dump that. Now what we got to figure out, let's get this over here. And there's the The Wayne oil burner. I should look that up to see how much another one is. I bet you I could still get one. I think we'll shut this down for now and continue on after our safety meeting.